You're trying to improve. You watch motivational videos, you make plans, you set goals, but nothing really changes, right? That's because you're fixing the wrong things. You're working hard, but you're not working smart. There are 4 areas of your life that control everything else. If even one of these is broken, your effort is wasted. Today, we're going to fix them, step by step.
Most self-improvement advice is scattered. Everyone talks about habits, routines, or mindset, but real growth comes from building a foundation. If you master these 4 areas, everything else falls into place naturally. Ignore them and no amount of effort will get you results. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear map to change fast.
1. Physical energy. The first area is your body. Sounds obvious, right? But most men ignore it. Lack of energy kills focus, motivation, and confidence. You can have all the ideas in the world, but if your body feels weak or tired, nothing sticks. Fix it with small but consistent actions. Sleep like it matters. Move your body daily. Fuel it properly. Not just eat, nourish. Your energy is the engine for everything else. Weak engine equals weak results. 2. Mental clarity, focus. Second area, your mind. Distraction is everywhere. Phones, social media, noise. Most men feel busy but accomplish nothing. Mental clutter equals wasted effort. To fix this, start your day with clarity, not chaos. Plan the 3 most important things to achieve today. Remove distractions before they remove your results. Your mind is like a laser. Without focus, energy scatters. 3. Emotional control. Third area, your emotions. Life is full of stress, rejection, and frustration. Most men let emotions control them instead of controlling emotions. Anger, fear, doubt, or envy quietly destroy progress. Fix it by recognizing your triggers, pausing before reacting, responding, not overreacting. Emotional control isn't weakness, it's strength you can't see. Master this, and everything in life feels manageable. 4. Personal growth or discipline. Fourth area, your habits and discipline. The difference between success and failure is rarely talent, it's consistency. Small actions repeated daily build unstoppable momentum. Pick 1 to 2 key habits today. Reading, journaling, working on a skill. Track your progress. Never miss twice. Discipline compounds. The more consistent you are, the faster you transform. Fix these 4 areas first: body, mind, emotions, discipline. Do this, and everything else in your life will improve faster than you expect. No gimmicks, no shortcuts, just focus, consistency, and smart effort. So start today, not tomorrow. Fix these, and your life will change fast.